Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Bow. Bow means simple knot. For example, a girl with long hair tied back in a bow. A girl with long hair tied back in a bow. Synonyms: loop, knot.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He nodded towards the pictures and gave a mock bow. Now, repeat after me. He nodded towards the pictures and gave a mock bow. The second exemplar. The song ended and I took a quick, self-conscious bow. Now, repeat after me. The song ended and I took a quick, self-conscious bow. The third exemplar. Chris gave her a mock bow, before taking her empty bottle. Now, repeat after me. Chris gave her a mock bow, before taking her empty bottle.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.